What's up, Savages? Fenris here with SAVAGE Combatives, doing another installment in our basic fire building series. We're going over a magnesium block today. I don't even own one of these. I can't stand them, and frankly, I hate them. I don't recommend them to anybody, anytime, anyway, anyhow. The reason I don't like them is they're very readily available, but you never know what you're going to get, what kind of magnesium it's going to be. It's going to be good magnesium, bad magnesium. You can pick them up at Harbor Freight for like $3, and those are the worst ones you can find. So, in this video, we figured if you're going to own one, we might as well at least show you how to use it. And this one actually belongs to Ragnar. That's why he wanted me to do a video on it. So anyways, guys, stay tuned. It should be a great show. Alright, so we're going to do a magnesium block fire today. You can find these all over the place. Definitely not my preferred method. I honestly can't stand these. This one belongs to Ragnar. And he wanted to do a video on these just because they're so readily available. You can find them at Walmart, you can find them at Harbor Freight. Anywhere from $2 to $5. This one happens to be one of the Chinese versions, and it's just junk magnesium, but we'll see if we can't get one going today. The first thing you got to do is scrape off the magnesium off the back of the block. I'm using my Leatherman, and I'm just using a 90-degree spine off my file, just because it's easier to scrape. They come with these little, like, broken or half-cut saw blades from a hacksaw, and it's hard to get purchase on them. There's not a whole lot. They do okay for striking the ferrocerium rod that's attached to the top of it. But even in the ferro rod on this, it doesn't throw the hottest of sparks. So we'll see what we can get done today. We're going to scrape a good pile of magnesium, and the more time you spend scraping the magnesium, the easier it's going to be to affect fire. So stay tuned. We'll get it done. The reason I don't like these is you're never guaranteed fire with a mag block. I'd rather spend the 97 cents on a Bic lighter. I know they don't always work if you're in high altitude or if it's super cold outside, but I'm going to take my chances with that. If you want to have surefire in all weather conditions, then definitely invest in a good ferrocerium rod. You can find the cheap ones on eBay for $10 or on Amazon for $10, whatever it is. I use a 1/2 inch by either 5 or 6 inch ferro rod, depending on what I can find. And they tend to work a lot better. They throw out a 2,000 degree plus spark. Throw that into a nice little bird's nest or something like that, which we'll cover in another video. But this just isn't a sure way of fire, in my opinion. It's too iffy. We're going to spend some time on this and get a real good bed of nice little pile of magnesium. Let's see what we've already got. I don't know if the camera can see this or not, but roughly half of what you should have. So we're going to keep on plugging along. I'm going to start on the corner, work your way towards the middle. I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm not doing big giant strokes. I'm just trying to get as much magnesium off this block as I can. The thing is too, when you're trying to survive, you want to use minimal calories, minimal effort. The more calories you expend, the more you have to intake to stay alive. Alright, I think we got a decent amount here. So I'm going to take this, pile, make sure I have enough. It's a decent amount, so I'm going to put this right on top of my toilet paper here. If you're out in the woods and you don't have toilet paper, you messed up. Alright. You can use dried grass, things like that, to kind of affect the same thing as toilet paper. This is super basic, so that's what we're running with. Let's see here. There we go. Nope. There, that magnesium's starting to go up now. See that? There you have it. Fire with a mag block. As always, guys, stay savage.
As home as I'll ever need. good on camera.